free of the tornado. Mom, I'm getting really tired and I'm scared. I'm gonna go to sleep. Honey, I understand, okay? I know it's hard. Damn, man, I can't believe that we're having a tornado. We never do. Yeah. I know. Well, I better get the kids to sleep. Okay, Isaac. Oh, get off your little car. and Mackenzie, you can sleep there. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna get in bed now. Oh, I'm so tired. It's just been such a long day. Oh, I forgot I should be sleeping in the bed. Beep, 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 beep. There is some good news. Hey, look, it says there's good news on the radio. Everyone, come on, get out of bed. Yeah, so the radio says the tornado has passed over. It's passed over? Yes. I can't believe it. It's passed over us. Yes. We're safe now. Okay. Which also is sad. Not about the safe part that we have to leave this amazing hotel. We must come back soon. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get Isaac and Sophie. I'm gonna get Isaac and Mackenzie into the strollers, and we're gonna go. So let me just go over here, make sure we haven't forgotten anything. Yep, perfect. Okay, let's go. Man, I'm so happy. Can't believe we got out. It's so good. And by the way, this was the last and only part. Bye.